All right, having dinner. Happy birthday to Brooke. Cheers. All right, fam. Nick and Sam's for dinner. Mom and Dad joined. We're looking at these steaks, fam. Y'all stay tuned. I'll show you the dinner. All right, we're going to celebrate. We're going to celebrate. My baby just turned 7 today. All right, what's this right here, Denise?
Crab cake and grilled octopus.
Crab cake and what?
Grilled octopus.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's an octopus right there, guys. I got crab cake. And I got some bone marrow right here, okay? A little bone marrow. Yeah, buddy. All right, fam, it's dinner time. Got the steak and lobster on deck. All right. I want to say thank you guys for the love. I'm going to catch y'all later, okay? Bam.